name's Jess. I'm the head chef here at Glenardy Road. I am just doing a little cooking demo for you for everyone that has the Every Acre Farm Collective package with our beautiful wines in it. On the menu at the moment we had a Scotch egg on, and we're doing a little cooking demo for that. We have quite small eggs here at the farm, so we cook these ones for 6 minutes, and so they go straight into boiling water for 6 minutes. So the 6 minutes is up on the eggs, so I'm just going to pull them out and pop them straight into the ice water. You're going to let them cool down completely, and then we're going to peel them. While your eggs are cooling down, you can make your Scotch egg meat mince. So we've got mince here from the farm, from our Tamworth pigs. I have minced it 3 times in the mincer in a fine die. You can ask your butcher to do that with the mince that you get. And you're just going to put in the salt, which just goes into the mixer, the milk powder, and the terrine spice, which you should have received in your little package. And then just with the garlic clove, you just want to microplane the garlic clove straight into the mix. So everything's in the mixer now, so what we're going to do is we're just going to wet our pork mix, and it's really just to make the proteins in the meat just emulsify, and that just really helps create a nice texture with the meat around the egg. This is a really fun one to do for a dinner party. If you've got a dinner party, you can have it prepared before, or you can fry them to order. So now my eggs are nice and cool. I'm just peeling the eggs. Just be careful, the yolk inside this is going to be quite soft, so you just still have to be quite gentle with them, but they should be firm enough to just peel back really lightly. If you do have slightly larger eggs, you will need to cook them a bit more, and it also depends on how you like your yolks. This is quite a runny yolk, but firm enough that the egg white is easy to work with. Now the mince is whipped and our eggs are peeled. We're just going to grab a bit of the mince. It's usually about 50 to 60 grams of mince. Depending on the size of the eggs, it could be more or less. And you just really want to work it a little bit to get as much air bubbles out of it as possible. You want to spread it around your hand. A little bit of oil on your hands really helps with this. And then once you've kind of got it all flat, you want to pop the egg on the inside of it and wrap it around your egg completely. And I'm just pressing it in my hands, which gets rid of all the air bubbles and kind of seals all the meat up in the egg. And that is your first Scotch egg. And you can continue this with the rest of it, and then we're going to actually penne these eggs. All it is a penne, is a bit of flour, a bit of egg wash with a little bit of milk in it, and then some crumbs. You can use old leftover bread and make your own crumbs, or you can use some panko crumbs. And all you have to do is you want to get your egg, pop it in the flour mix. Make sure you dust it off quite a bit so you don't get any clumps of flour in there. You're going to dip it into your egg mix. And then straight into those panko crumbs. And you really want to do this panko crumbs twice, so we're just going to dip it into the egg mix one more time, and then into the panko crumbs again. Now that we have our egg crumbed and looking beautiful, I've just brought this oil on the stove up to temperature. If you have a deep fryer at home, you can definitely use a deep fryer, but it's coming up to about 175. Then I'm just going to turn it down to keep it at that temperature, and then I'm just going to pop that egg in there. And you want to fry it for about 4 to 5 minutes until it's nice and golden. It's beautiful golden brown. Turn the oil off, be really careful. The oil is obviously very hot, so is the egg. I always just pop it on a bit of paper towel to cool it down. You can season it with a little bit more salt just to garnish it, and then to serve, you can cut it open and we'll see if the egg is gooey or not. And that is our Scotch egg. and you can serve that with the corn and zucchini pickle in the recipe card. Enjoy your Glenarty Road experience at home.